Hey guys, it's snowing in Texas, and here's Lily trying to throw ice at me.
Hey, I'm embarrassed because I'm wearing this stupid hoodie that you told me to put on. I'm gonna find you. Hold up.
Here's Lola. She refused to wear her shoes. Well, she walked in them a little bit, and then they came off. I don't know if they're too big or I didn't put them on right.
What are you doing? This is my tail. Okay, hold on. Give me the phone.
Well, here.
Anyways.
What happens to people who are mean?
What?
I said, did you see what happens to people who are mean?
Huh? Excuse me. I'm so sorry that I'm being mean. This does not happen to people that are being mean. But she's probably right, so. Wow, this snow's so soft. I wonder if I can aim it at my mom. Okay. Lola's gonna turn into it. Let me just throw
Into a
it.
snowman.
Don't put. Okay, don't worry while I'm wearing this beanie. My mom told me to put it. How dare you throw a snowball at me? Oh my god. She's so bizarre. You can't throw anything at me. Good, Lars. She gets it too. And me. Is that some? How's someone driving?
I don't know. Dangerous. Wow, look at this person. Oh my god, Lily, stop!
Okay. What's this?
Did you post the video?
No.
Post it.
No.